If you have ever typed a prompt into ChatGPT and the response sounded like it was written by a robot, you are not alone. This video is for you, and let's talk about it. Savvy journalists who won't learn AI, enter. The rest, no vex, excuse us. The power of AI is not in making you sound like a tool, it's in making your process faster and your ideas more structured. But you're still the journalist, the brain, the voice, the soul. So here are 5 tips for using AI without losing your voice. 1. Never copy and paste. Always rewrite. When AI gives you a first draft, don't treat it as final. It's a starting point. Take the structure but rewrite it in your words. 2. Add your local flavor. AI won't know how to write like a radio reporter in Kano State. Use your slang, examples, references, weaving. That's your superpower. AI can't fake that. 3. Use AI for structure, not so. Let AI help you brainstorm angles, organize thoughts, or outline a script. What's your opinion? What have you observed in the field? That's what gives your work weight. 4. Fact check everything. AI lies sometimes. That it's a start or a quote. You're still the journalist and your credibility is still on the line.
But ChatGPT then quotes me in 4 places: in 2010, in 2012, 2014, 2015. So I said to my colleague, I don't remember saying these things. I said, so go and fact check these things for me and let me see. And ChatGPT comes back and says, well, I can make mistakes. I'm not above the law. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much.
5. Train your AI tools to know you. Feed it examples of your past work. Say, write this in my tone or summarize this with my audience in mind. It gets better when you guide it. Journalism is changing, and tools like AI can save you time, spark new ideas, and make you sharper. But the one thing that should never change is your voice. Now, tell me, what AI tool are you using now? Do you have any AI tool that you are not sure how to use? Let me know in the comment section. You might just have it featured in the next episode of Gen AI Journalism with Titi. And don't forget, quick tips you find them on TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, and X for tutorials and real breakdowns. That's here on YouTube. Subscribe, share, and I will see you in the next one.